Welcome to today's tutorial. I'll guide you through the process of transferring photos from your iPhone to your Huawei phone using MobiKin Transfer for mobile. First, let's download and install MobiKin Transfer for mobile from its official website. On the homepage, look for the free trial button. Click it to start downloading MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Once the download finishes, double-click the file to begin installing. After installation, open MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Ensure your iPhone and Huawei phone are connected to your computer via USB cables and the software recognizes both phones. Next, ensure your iPhone is the source device and Huawei is the destination device. Select Photos and click Start Copy to securely move your iPhone photos to your Huawei phone using MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Once complete, you'll find all your photos in the gallery of your Huawei phone. Thanks for watching.